Welcome to watch the demonstration of Jinggong Jg18L crawler excavator. As for the crawler excavator, it has attractive features as follows: small size, lightweight, low fuel consumption, great cold start and more. The outfitted rubber track not only increases the adaptability and ground holding capacity of this mini excavator, but the ground is protected from harm or damage caused by heavy weight. What's more, the arm provides a left rotary angle of 90 and a right angle of 50, making the move and turn simply easy. All these properties and advantages contribute to the extensive application of compact crawler excavator in orchards, vegetable greenhouses, farms, etc.